This time I'll show you the example of an application like if you have a set of the coordination and I would like to sort it by x and sort it by y. For example, I will create a set of set of points in 2 dimension. Okay, so I'll start with for example, I will create 10 points. I will store it in the list 10 points of list of tuples x and y for I in range 10, right? This is 10 points, but xy should be randomly created from from 0 to 20, something like that. So I will import random, and I will use x and y as the random.rand int from 0 to 10, and same as y. This is values of x and this is values of y. So guys, look at the result. This is a point that we can create. If you don't like to be an integer like this, you can use something like random.rand, also rand and times 10. It depends on your idea. Sorry, random.random. Okay, so there are 10 points, same, but this time the coordinate is not. It is not an integer anymore. So this is a point, and can you remember? We can use the matplotlib to plot all points in the xy axis. So I'll import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Oh, sorry, .pyplot as plt, and 4 point in points. Okay, and then I use plt.plot and x and y. That is, I'll plot x 0 and y is 1, right? And I use the red dot here, and plt.show. This one is the coordinate of each point that randomly created. Okay, and if I use the red but not the point, sorry, this one. Actually, I would like to sort all data by x or y. How can we do that? How can we do that? If you want to plot something like this, this one will plot the points, right? And this one will plot the line. Because the points has coordinate x and y, right? If we provide the list of x and provide the list of y, it will plot the line. So after we plot the points, and now I plot the line. This term I plot the point, right? And I plot the line also. I'll create the list of x, that is list of x for xy in points, and list of y for xy in points. Okay, and I use the red line. So in this graph, it will plot the 10 dots first and then plot the line in the order that created by random, because we randomly create these 10 points, right? But I would like to plot it in another style. I'll plot it using in the order of x and in the order of y. Let's see the result. I will use the line, but this time start from the leftmost first, and then go to this line, this line, this line, this line, this, and this, sorted by x. So how can we do that? We will sort the points first. If we sort the list of tuples, it will compare the first element first. Okay, so let's see the result here. I will store the data in sorted points and try to keep the original points as it is. So I can use this sorted of list and plot in sorted points instead of points. Let's see the result. Yes, this is the one that we expect, right? We sort by x. Okay, and if you want to plot sort the list by y, how can you do that? You have to move y to the first element, right? So I'll change it now. Okay, the points here should be the swap of x and y. So I will use y and x for x and y in points. This is a list comprehension, right? We iterate through all points, get x and y, but this time we swap y and x. Okay, so it means that after you do it, it will be y will be the first element and x will be the second element, right? To sort them first. Okay, and this time x is the second element, so you have to swap this one also, y and x. Okay, let's see the results. Now can you see? Because all points are sorted using y, so the line start from the topmost. Okay, and then this one, and this one, this one. Okay, without sorting, this one is the order that generated from the random function, and this one is sorted by x. Can you see? This is the same points, right? But we order in the function to drawing the line. Okay, so we start to the line from the topmost one, and then next. This one we start from x, the leftmost one, to rightmost. Okay, now I hope that you can get the idea of how can you sort the data or the tuples that stores in the list. Okay, so enjoy working in the lab also. Okay, guys, thank you very much.